How you doing? So I just gave you an example. Basically, what I need is I need a Excel sheet that I could calculate the risk and the profit margin on the project. Basically, this is a project. Let's just show it to you basically what it is. So it's two owners. So one owner owns this land, next owner owns this land. They are giving me two lots to realize the road. So to develop the road, they're paying with two lots. So that would mean how I would be able to achieve that. Those two lots I have to sell to an investor at a discount so that they can give me the monies, the cash to do the road. So one investor is going to be giving cash and going to be doing work on the project, and the other one is just going to be giving cash. So I need to calculate the discount and also how much of that money I will keep in my pocket. Also, the owner is going to give me 2% of all sales. So between those two, I need to understand at the end of it how much money am I going to make. So I sending you this as an example of a next project that kind of different but kind of similar in the sense of there's cost, there is land cost or land value, and based on, let me see if I have an example. Based on the land value, so this is like what the owner is giving me land, so I'm using the land value to cover some of the development costs. So this is an example, maybe can inspire you how to make it. But let me know if all the questions you need to know before you start developing the spreadsheet.